Well, Wally here. Guys, this is either going to go amazingly well or it's going to be an absolute disaster. This is a ParaTeepee. If you don't know what a ParaTeepee is, don't worry, you're not alone, because I don't really know what it is either. I'm just sort of making this up. Basically, what I have here, guys, is I have a parachute, right? I have a parachute. This thing that I just clipped on there. It's an ex-military parachute. You can pick these up on eBay for about 60 quid, guys. They're not expensive. What I have here, if you look up in that tree. Okay, so I have the rope suspended. So I have the rope suspended up in the trees. And all I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to hoist this rope up till that parachute just is barely touching the ground. Let me turn these a bit. And when it's barely touching the ground, guys, I'm going to peg it out. Okay, so there's going to be a little bit of fanootering about. Okay, that's the plan. That's it. ParaTeepee, parachute, TP, ParaTeepee. Needs to go higher. Okay, it's higher. Oh, too high. Too high, too high, too high. I need a stick, Bruno. It's higher. I hired it up. Climb the tree. Let's try this again. She's all pegged out, ready to go. Shouldn't be too much needed, except to be raised. Shouldn't. Off, put her off. Time for a rethink. This isn't going according to plan at all. There you have it. All put up. Except it's not. It's a disaster. That one didn't work at all. It was too big. It was too... Some parachutes have straight seams. Some of them are slightly bulbous. Bulbous is a good word. So I'm going to try this other one. This is a little bit smaller, should work much better. I need to see how I can peg this one in, but there's a little bit of an issue with all of them that I need to resolve. So see if I can figure this out. I am going to figure this out. I'm gonna have to go get some paracord and reattach all these guy lines. Make new guy lines. Fun. Fun, fun, fun. It is done. I am going to call that an exercise in patience. It is done, but it is really cool. Wait until you see this. I'm gonna have to fold up the camera a wee bit. Check that out. Yeah, not my best parachute, definitely not my best. You ready to go in? Here we go, check out this space. There you have it. Nah. So, parachutes are not waterproof, but they are water resistant, guys. Water resistant, and what there is certain things you can do to make them more water resistant, like just giving them a spray with some fab seal or something like that. So what I'll do is I'll let this dry out and then I'll fab seal it. But look, you can have a fire in here, no problem. Absolutely no problem at all, guys. This is cool. Cool. I'm happy with that. If I ever catch somebody cutting the guy lines off a parachute, guys, I will cut their guy lines off. My God, it took ages. But hey, check it out. Cool. Look. Guys, thanks for watching. Stay frosty. Yay! First ParaTeepee in South Armagh, I'm going to say. Bruno approved.